Wahala for who get bank account for Naija. Na for Naija I confirm say cash get level pass aza money. Just drop your money for bank and e no go ever remain the same again. Na so you go dey get SMS alert, transfer charge levy, stamp duty charge, card main ten ance charge. Dem fit even add dash you welcome back charge join am. By the time you wan collect your own money, e go be like say na you and bank dey do joint business. Dem go collect their own share finish, clean mouth, come still get mind ask you whether you go collect loan join. My advice from Naija banking wahala make you always dey check your SMS alert and bank account statement, make you for know how your money dey waka pass, so that by the time you wan go collect your money, you no go hear the stories that touch the heart. My brother man and sister woman, I salute una do remember to follow me if you never follow me, because I get more and more wahala topic for here. Una do